hi people at AIHA. I'm glad you liked our work, and I'm going to keep this summer special. Thanks so much.
It was a pleasure working on the video. You guys are doing great work in Tanzania, and you know, just keep on keeping on.
Thank you, everyone. I just really had rather highlight the students. So.
Much appreciated for the opportunity to work on the documentary. Give it good work, and thank you very much.
Hi, Poplio, Smarf, and I would like to thank you for helping us make this project very possible.
It was a complete honor to have been working with AIHA. Thank you for the opportunity.